Imagine this. Two people start working in the United States at the same age. Both earn around $3,000 per month. One person saves money in a bank account. The other person starts investing just $300 every month. After 20 years, the difference is not small. It's life-changing. One person struggles financially. The other has built a portfolio worth over $200,000 to $300,000. So what made the difference? It's simple. Investing. If you're living in the U.S. and confused about how to start investing, don't worry. You're not alone. Stocks, ETFs, 401k, Roth IRA, it can feel overwhelming. But here's the truth. You don't need to be rich. You don't need $10,000 to start. You can begin with as little as $50 or $100. All you need is the right system. Let's break it down step by step. First, why should you invest? If your money is sitting in a savings account earning maybe 1% interest, it looks safe. But inflation in the U.S. is around 3% to 4%. That means every year, your money is losing value. For example, if you keep $10,000 in a savings account, after a few years, it won't have the same buying power. Things that cost $10,000 today might cost $12,000 or more in the future. So even though your money looks the same, it's actually worth less. This is why investing is important. Investing allows your money to grow at an average of 7% to 10% per year in the stock market. And thanks to compound interest, your money grows faster over time. For example, if you invest $200 per month for 20 years, with an average return of 8%, you could end up with around $120,000 to $150,000. That's the power of consistency. Now, before you start investing, there's one critical step. If you have high-interest debt, especially credit cards, stop and fix that first. In the U.S., credit card interest rates can be 20% to 25%. Let's say you have a balance of $5,000 on your credit card. You could be paying $1,000 or more in interest every year. That's money going out of your pocket. Even if you invest and earn 8%, you are still losing overall. So first, pay off your high-interest debt completely. Then move to investing. Next step, build an emergency fund. Life happens. Unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss can cost thousands of dollars. That's why you should save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. If your monthly expenses are $2,500, your emergency fund should be around $7,500 to $15,000. Keep this money in a savings account. This is not for investing, it's for protection. Once your foundation is strong, now you are ready to invest. In the U.S., you invest through accounts. The first one is a 401k. If your employer offers a 401k, start here. Many companies offer a match. For example, if you invest 5% of your salary, your employer may also add 5%. If your monthly salary is $3,000, you invest $150, another $150. That's $300 total every month. This is free money. Don't miss it. Next is a Roth IRA. You can invest up to $6,500 to $7,000 per year, depending on current limits. The biggest advantage? Your money grows tax-free, and you can withdraw it tax-free in retirement. After that, you can use a brokerage account. This is a normal investment account where you can invest any amount, anytime. Now let's answer the most important question. What should you invest in? As a beginner, keep it simple. Invest in index funds or ETFs. For example, funds that track the S&P 500. Instead of buying one stock, you are investing in 500 top companies in the U.S. This reduces risk and gives stable long-term growth. Historically, the market has returned around 8% to 10% annually. So if you invest $500 per month, over time, this can grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars. Avoid these mistakes. Don't try to pick random stocks. Don't follow hype or social media trends. Don't invest in things you don't understand. Now let's talk about starting. You can open an account with platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood. Most of them allow you to start with $0 minimum. Once your account is ready, start investing. Even $100 per month is enough. The key is consistency. Let's say you invest $100 every month for 30 years. At an average return of 8%, you could end up with around $100,000, $150,000. If you invest $300 per month, you could reach $400,000 or more. That's how wealth is built. Not overnight, but over time. Use a simple strategy called dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount every month. Don't worry about market ups and downs. Sometimes the market will go down. Your portfolio may drop. For example, your $10,000 investment might drop to $8,000. This is normal. Successful investors don't panic. They continue investing, because over time, the market recovers and grows. Remember this rule: time in the market is more important than timing the market. The longer you stay invested, the more your money grows. Let's quickly recap. Understand why investing is important. Pay off high-interest debt. Build an emergency fund of $7,500 to $15,000 or more. Start with a 401k and get employer match. Use a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Invest in index funds. Start with $50 to $300 per month. Stay consistent and think long-term. If you follow this plan, you are already ahead of most people in the U.S. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because starting today with $100 is better than waiting forever. Your future wealth depends on what you do now. So take action. Stay consistent. Build your future. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment how much you plan to invest monthly, and subscribe for more finance content. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Because history shows that the market always recovers and grows over time. Let's look at a real, long-term mindset. If you invest $300 per month for 30 years at 8% returns, you could have around $450,000 to $500,000. If you increase that to $500 per month, you could reach $700,000 to $800,000. That's how ordinary people become financially free. Now let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. First, trying to get rich quickly. There is no shortcut. Second, investing without understanding. Always know where your money is going. Third, panic selling during market crashes. This is the biggest mistake. Fourth, not being consistent. Skipping investments breaks your growth. Now imagine your future. You consistently invest $200 to $500 every month. After 10 years, you see growth. After 20 years, it becomes significant. After 30 years, it becomes life-changing. This is how wealth is built, not through luck, but through discipline. Let's quickly recap everything. Understand why investing is important. Pay off high-interest debt. Build an emergency fund of $7,500 to $15,000. Start with a 401k and get the employer match. Use a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Invest in index funds. Start with $100 to $300 per month. Stay consistent. Think long-term. Remember this: you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because starting today with $100 is better than waiting for the right time forever. Your future wealth depends on what you do now. You do today, so take action. Start small. Stay consistent. And trust the process. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment how much you plan to invest monthly, and subscribe for more finance content.